निर्मल सर पनि हुनुभयो जस्तो लागेको थियो।
Can we start the program? Excuse me, teachers.
He's the chairperson. He's the chairperson, right? Headman.
Meena ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, Meena ma'am.
You should ask her.
Yeah, Meena ma'am, can we start the program?
हुन्छ हुन्छ।
Good afternoon to all my fellow nominees and my classmates. Today we are all gathered here on special occasion as our school has decided to commence a debate on topic present is more important than future. It's me, Prashmi Khakurel. It's me, Prashmi Khakurel.
And me, Samyak Gautam, hosting today's debate program.
First of all, we would like to request all our distinguished guests, panel of judges, teachers, and our friends to take a seat. Next, I'd like to give you some details about today's debate. Firstly, for panel of judges, we have Ms. Susanna Lamethane, Mr. Sunil Pokhrel, and Ms. Saraswati Bhatta.
I'm not Pokhrel, I'm Kharel.
Now,
Sorry, sir, Sunil Kharel, Mr. Sunil Kharel as our judges.
Now, the motion of the debate is present is more important than our future. Altogether, 20 participants will be speaking. 10 of them will be speaking for the motion and 10 against the motion. And Yuna, Sakar, Monica, Rajani, Kripesh, Deepsa, Gaurav, Sajina, Avril, and Punika will be speaking for the motion, and Samiksha, Santosh, Isha, Sushant, Bigina, Tilak, Santosh, Salina, Prashmi, and Samyak will be speaking against the motion. Now, there are some guidelines for the debate. Let me read some do's and don'ts for you all. First of all, let me start with the do's. Participants can speak their bulletproof opinions and humorous lines supporting your topic. You participants can also say some famous saying, quotes, and proverbs. Some facts and data relating to your topic is also approved. Simple and understandable sentences and rebuttal paragraphs must be there in this debate.
Now, let me tell some don'ts of this program. Opinions that shows discriminative behavior or disregards something or somebody should not be there. Anger and ranges towards something and somebody should not be there. Direct assault towards opponent's assertion should be not there. After all these formalities, let me announce for the debate to commence.
Okay, Prashmi, one thing you forgot.
Yes, sir.
There is one judge, Saru Bhatta, but Sujana ma'am has not come here. So you forgot to name Saru Bhatta as judge.
Yeah, I told sir, Mrs. Saraswati Bhatta.
Oh, I forgot. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, I mentioned her. I mentioned her.
It's okay.
After all these formalities, let me announce for the debate to commence. So, are all the participants here?
Yes, Prashmi.
Where is Sarila ma'am?
Okay.
I do not see Sarila ma'am.
She might be somewhere there.
Okay, Prashmi, can you repeat the debate topic for today? What is the topic? I do not hear very clearly.
Present is more important than future is for the motion, and against the motion is future is more important than present. Samyak, shall we start?
Yes. First of all, I would like to call Yuna Shrestha from grade 10 speaking for the motion.
Thank you, Samak and Prasmi. Mr. Chairperson, honorable jury, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Good afternoon. It's me, Yuna Shrestha from grade 10. I am very glad to participate in this debate. It stands for present is important than our future. Dear friends, yesterday is the past. Tomorrow is the future, and today is the gift of God. Why we call it present? Simply, the time which we are living is our present. The outcome tomorrow is totally depend on what we are doing today. If likewise, if we do proper planning, proper planning, passion, and hard work in present, the future will uh, also be bright. Uh, for example, if we plant the mango tree with proper care and planning, it will definitely gives us fruit. Fruit, a mango as a fruit. So if we do better something in the present, it will ultimately gives us a bright future. Living in the present is the more important because we all are able to work much smarter and once we have planned firmly rooted in our mind, we won't even need to think about it again. Our goals may be the future, but we have to live life for present. For a better future, we should focus on our present. Uh, if 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 you want to become a great businessman, you need to learn many experiences in present. After that, you will become the great leader in future. Uh, we should not we should not take worry about our future because our future is depends on what we are doing today. Future will come itself because your actions from today present is you have you prepared that uh, have you prepared uh, for your future challenges regardless what they may be. I want to ask my opponent friend, what is the importance of future if we die untimely? Is there any importance of future? No. Future is not important than our present. Our life is just like an ice cream, so we should enjoy it before it melts. Future is something we don't know, but our present is in our control. Uh, we can decide how our life be going on in present. If it goes bad, we can change it, but if in future we can do nothing. uh, the great Mahatma Gandhi also said that the future depends on what you do today. That means the past in which already happened, we can change, and we are neither aware of our future activities, but we can predict our future by looking our present activities. I strongly claim that our present is better than our future because yesterday had already gone. Tomorrow maybe never come, and so we should enjoy our life in present. Don't 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 cry over the past. It's gone. Don't stress about it. Don't stress about future. It hasn't arrived. Live in the present and make your present beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Yuna, for your most valuable points. Now I would like to call Samiksha Bhandari from grade 10 to speak against the motion. Present is more important than our future.
अनि यो टाइम कसले हेर्दैछ हो? कति टाइम हो? सुनिल सर
टाइम खै एलिजाबेथ
रश्मि
एलिजाबेथले हेर्ने भनेको खै एलिजाबेथ
Time 3 minutes, ma'am.
अनि कसले हेर्दैछ
Time,
मैले हेरेर
time,
टाइम टाइम चाहिँ हेर्नु पर्यो
the time. Samek, excuse me, Samek.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you looking the time?
Yes, ma'am. I'm looking at it.
Okay, yes, I'm also doing the same job, but I was not clear. Yeah. You can also take the time, yeah? 3 minutes time for each participant.
ओके समीक्षा फुल नेम रश्मि समीक्षा वाट
You can go ahead, yeah.
May I start?
Yes.
समीक्षा
May
वाट
I start?
Excuse me, Sunil sir.
समीक्षा
Om sir is in waiting room, sir.
I do not see any possibility.
So,
I'm
ma'am,
in the
he's
middle. Okay,
he's in.
I'm here. Thank you.
Okay,
Ma'am,
thank you.
may I
Yeah.
start?
Yes, please.
ल स्टार्ट गर अब समीक्षा
समीक्षा
Life can be understood backward, however, it must be lived forward. With this wonderful thought, I would like to start. Mr. Chairperson, respected teachers, and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank Mrs. Sarmila ma'am for giving me this golden opportunity to speak on this burning issue. Present is more important than future, and I'm here to speak against this motion. Future is more important than present. As we all know, our life has three aspects to live and think on: past, present, and future. As my previous speaker said that present is more important than future. I strongly disagree with her arguments. Mr. Chairperson, a deep interrelationship can be found between all these three aspects of life. As present is evolved from the past and the future gets developed from the present. We know past can be changed, so we usually work in the present to shape our future. We know that the real motive of life is to gain happiness, and we can really own it when we start to think and work for the future. Mr. Chairperson, I will I would like to tell you a short story on the same topic. Once there was a puppy who used to roam in the circle all day long chasing its own tail. A big dog came up to him and asked what was he doing. The puppy replied, "Don't you know a dog's happiness is in its tail? So I'm chasing it to gain all my happiness in my life. Don't you want your happiness in your life?" The big dog replied, I only know is I move forward with all my might, and happiness immediately follows me back. So we must live in hope, not in our memories. As future is more important than present, it holds an immeasurable potential. Firstly, if we just start to think and work for the future, then it can help us to make more better decisions. Many studies have examined that how thinking about future shapes our decision making skill. Secondly, it motivates us to achieve our goals, and thirdly, it improves our psychological well-being. Mm, Psychological well-being. From all these things, we can say that future it is the future where our greatest levers is. We can't change our past, but if we are smart enough, we can work in the present to shape our future. As my previous speaker said that present is more important because we live in present and we should be happy in present. But if you just search for happiness in the present, then who will work for the future? Who will save for the future, for our old age? We will never be happy in the future if we just start to search for only happiness in the present. I know present is also important, but the person who had thought of his or her future and worked hard in the present, then that person will surely be happy in the present. But if they don't do so, then they will surely regret in their future. To conclude, past, present, and future are all the three aspects of life. It is us to decide which is more important. In my view, future is more important as it deals with the deeds which we had done in our past. So we should give more importance to future to live a happy, wonderful, and happy, peaceful, and wonderful life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Samiksha, for expressing your thoughts. Now, I would like to call Sakar Karki from grade 10 to speak for the motion. Sakar, are you here?
Yes,
Yeah.
respected and honorable teachers, my lovely friends, good afternoon to you all. I, I want to thank Miss Sonmira Pokhriel for conducting the debate competition. Today, my topic for the debate is present is more important than future. Yesterday is history. Today is history. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is mystery. Today is a gift. That's why it's called a present. Past is something we can change. Present is something we can change. Future is something that we don't know about, but present is something that is in our control. We have present in we have in our present we have present in our hands. Living in presence is the most important thing. Past is a nice place to visit, but not a good place to stay. Thinking about past will only make you sorrowful, depressed, and anxious. Life is unavailable only in the present moment. Trying over the past will not change in our so it is better to do something in the present to get a better life and life or future. Some people are busy always. So some people are always busy in making the future planning everything. Planning everything is good, but we know about but we don't know what happened in our future. Life is like a box of a chocolate. You don't know what you're gonna get. So always live in present. Do not think too much about future because today will never come again. Thank you.
Thank you, Sakar, for expressing your views and opinions.
Now I'd
Now,
like to call Santosh Pariyar from grade 10 speaking against the motion. Present is more important than our future. Santosh Pariyar, are you there? I think he's not there, so let's move on. Now I'd like to call Monica Rai from grade 10 speaking up for the motion. Monica Rai. Yes, she's there.
Good afternoon. Uh, Good afternoon, everyone, respected teachers, my dear friends. And I would like to thank our English teacher, Mrs. Sarmila Pokhriel, to giving me this opportunity to tell something on the burning issue of present is important than future. As we all know, whatever we do present, future is done in our present. Our present decides our future, and as a person, everyone think for a better future, and for a better future, everyone need to learn many skills, experience, and this all activities is done in our present. So present is important than future. And uh and for, for example, if we only think for our future, if you all only think our future and working hard and hard for our future, and if we got sick in that then what will we do? Because we only have to we only have think for our future, we don't have think of for our present. So for in the way of thinking for present future, we also think for present. I'm not saying that future is not important, future is also important. We have to think for future, but at the same time we also have to live in our present. So present is important than future. For one more example, we also take India. Just like if we say the history of India, we can see that in the past, but that was past, but India had done so many struggles to be independent from the British. So they have done so many struggle. They have fought with British, but whatever they have done, that is their present. So if they don't fought, they don't struggle for that uh, in their present, then their future, just like we are seeing that as present, but it was their future. We cannot their future will not like this. And and, and um, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Monica. Now, I would like to call Isa Subidi from grade 10 to speak against the motion of this topic. Isha?
Thank you, Rosmi. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected teachers, and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank SP ma'am for giving me these opportunities. Today, I am here to saying against the motion. Today, I am here to saying against the motion. Uh, Future is better than our present. According to the Buddhist notion of cause and effect in the three times prayers, the past, the present, and the future. Life is not limited to just one term. Because of the past, we have the present. Because of the present, we have the future. Uh, and we have hope the future is yet to come. As long as we have hope, our lives will better tomorrow. In
Isa,
life, everyone experiences difficulty as well as
turn on your
satisfaction.
video, Isa. Turn on your video.
Sorry, sir.
Turn on your video. Go ahead. We have less than 2 minutes, okay? Go ahead.
Yeah.
In life, everyone experiences difficulty as well as satisfaction. When things are going well, we must not be overly complacent. Even if we failed miserably in the past, we must not be discouraged because past failure are the best lesson for future success. If we learn from our mistake in present and make good use of our experience, we will be on our we will be on our way to a better future. It is hard to judge whether one's life is a success or a failure at any given time. We can be we can be unsuccessful in how we handle affairs, but we should try not to fail in how we conduct ourselves. We can fail in our past, but not our future. No matter how brilliant we once might, no matter no matter how bri- how no matter no matter how brilliant we once might have been, it does not guarantee future success. Past glory will always be in the past and may not carry into the present or the future. We must work hard for the present. We must concentrate our efforts on the present for the sake of having a brighter future. Without future, uh, at last, I would like to say, without future and without any question, the future is better than our present. It is full of endless possibilities because it helps us make more prudent decisions. Thank you.
Okay. So
Thank you, Isha.
Trust me, we have less than 1 minute. Anytime it can go up, so we have to rejoin again, okay? And one thing
I request all of them.
One thing you have to tell your friends that while giving speech, they have to turn their video on, okay? Otherwise, how can we evaluate?
Okay,